So guys, good morning. Damn, how are you?
Yeah, oh wow, we have same t-shirt.
Gentlemen, how are you? Yeah, that's crazy. Look at our place now. Guys, look what Selena has done. Trash apartment completely.
It's the baby.
Yeah, it's a baby
Damn,
boy.
so much too big. Oh.
Damn, it's so dirty here. But that's normal. Oh, damn, I need to go get rid of the garbage. We have so much garbage.
Yeah, I will shower baby boy.
Look, we don't even have a cup for the coffee.
Yeah, look
Selena
what
is
I
drinking her coffee in the bottle.
Maybe you have some garbage also in there that you want to throw.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know, check it.
Yeah, this.
The macaroni. I mean the sardines.
Oh, this Coca-Cola, it's not good no more.
Yeah.
You don't have no more.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Damn, I don't know what the hell we're gonna do today, but I ordered a new stroller. That's why I'm going down. That's surprise. Then oh my goodness, the diaper is smelling. I wanted to order the big wheel stroller, but it's sold out. So I will order something just for now. But it's much better the one that we have. Hello, sir. Sawadika. So much garbage. So, where the hell is our garbage? Where is our parcel? Hello, sir. Oh, yeah. Damn, it's so heavy. What the hell is this? What is this one? Hello, miss. Yeah, we got the stroller, we got the fan.
Da-da.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I don't have nothing, huh?
Yeah. Don't worry.
Oh, what you got?
Let's see.
I'll open it here.
Open it.
Is it the good one?
Yeah, it's the best one. They have this cheap Chinese one,
Okay.
but that's the like a red one.
No battery.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh yeah, now it's charging. Oh yeah.
You got yourself a new wheels,
Oh
baby
my
boy.
god, that's heavy, huh?
It's fit exactly to the airport.
That's a big wheel. Look at that. Yes, we have new one. We don't need to struggle.
Yeah, baby
Look at him, he's so
boy.
happy.
That's a new wheel.
How do you open this one?
I think you need to press here somewhere. Let me see. Oh, here maybe. This one. Oh, wow.
It's so
moving, right?
nice. Oh my god.
Look at this.
So excited to go outside.
You can put your legs like
Yeah. That baby boy will be so happy.
this. Yeah.
He can sit nice. Now he can sit nicely. And look, they have this thing also. Oh,
Yeah, suspension.
yeah. Look at him. His feet is putting it here.
Yeah.
Thank you also. Thank you for buying this one. It's not hard for me to push anymore.
You can lower this also, you know, right? Like this. No.
Wait, Simon. Yeah.
Let's go. Driver is nearby. This white one.
That one?
Yeah. Damn, stroller is so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good buy.
Yeah.
I should do the thing.
Aeon.
And the one we got yesterday. Good? Yeah, I don't know what today. Sunday or Saturday.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Let's go. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. We're gonna go over there.
Up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's your new stroller? Let's put this up. The
Huh?
legs. Elevator. Just go straight because that door will open now.
Okay. Hey.
Then you go buy the tickets.
Yeah, go buy it.
Hello, sir. 2 tickets.
What did you say?
More seat.
Huh?
More seat.
What do you mean multi?
More seat. One ticket is 47 baht.
47.
Yeah, it's 1.5 USD. Very cheap. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Cheaper.
Let's go.
Yeah. How was it?
It's good. It's much better.
Okay.
Because this thing is more stable.
Yeah. Ooh, right?
Yeah.
Much better, huh?
Much better, yeah.
Look how he's sitting like he's in home.
I think turn this off right now because we have enough wind.
Okay. Nana! That's funny, Nana! Look at the bird, oh! Look, it's jumping! What is that?
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Let's go. Chachukat weekend market. Damn, I don't know. I think we have to go on that side.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go then.
Guys, is that the same guy who was yesterday in the Chinatown? Yeah.
Also.
Guys, Selena already grabbing the Nike.
Huh?
$6 Nike pants.
Look! Yeah! Yeah, si Pau. Puppy! It's coming! Oh my god! Look at that! So full! That's for the whole family. Let me try the soup. Damn, I hope it's not spicy. It's good.
Okay,
Yeah, it's spicy.
How was the food?
It was so good. I'm so full.
Really?
I didn't even eat all of it.
So now what we need to do? We need to buy the extension cord. Yeah, you like it?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Let me have one.
One.
Yeah, like this one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. How much?
600 Thai
Okay,
tea.
thank you. Thank you so much. It's okay, it's okay. Thank you so much.
You get it?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you so much.
Da da. Da da. Da da.
So guys, we're not gonna take the sky train because I don't know, it's not good to drive. We'll get sick. Yeah. We will just take the Grab. The Grab was so nice, right?
Yeah.
The train will be so bad.
Make us dizzy.
Yeah. Sir, can I have one? Let me have one. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, that's with USB. Oh, yeah, that's good. Baby boy, you like this?
Yeah, you want to do the cling cling cling?
Yeah, let's buy this. That's it, right?
Yeah, I want my fruit.
Right, okay, okay.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
salmon, yeah,
It's a
I
good
like it. Come, I don't know which one to get.
How much is the salmon? $10. Nice big one.
I will get two.
Get more, get 3 or 4.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
the thing you like to eat.
Yeah. I'll get 4.
Yeah, get 4. Thank you so much.
Done now, we're almost done.
Damn, we got so much stuff, guys. Look at this. Yeah. I forgot how much did we pay.
You have 2.
How
So
much
which-
did we pay? $80.
How much is that?
80. I don't know, baby, actually.
Is it 4,000?
I don't even know. Or 75. Damn, guys. So heavy.
So much plastic
Oh
bag.
my goodness.
Don't close me. Ay. Sorry. But damn the ears.
Yeah, continue, baby boy. Smell it, baby.
Oh yeah, that smells better than the other one.
Yeah.
Where's your cling cling?
What do you want? Milk, baby boy. You want milk? Where's your milk? Your milk. Your milk. Let's close this. Let's close it. Good, huh? Good. I got already my food here. Kaboom.
Yeah, mine is almost also.
Yeah, like check it out.
Look.
Oh, it's ready, baby.
Huh?
It's ready. It's open like this. Did you open it yourself?
No.
No, it's ready then. Yeah, in the oven also.
You think it's ready?
Yeah. If it's open like this, it's ready.
Let's cook, right?
Yeah, it's very cooked. It's perfect. It's perfect salmon. So juicy.
Right.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Then look at this guy. Them I had a good life before the game.
So you don't have good life now?
Them I'm so happy I have my family, you know. My life have like a purpose. If I don't have baby or wife, then I have no purpose. What's my purpose? No, my job is to make two people happy, you know.
That's your purpose.
Yeah. And I see other guys, you know, walking around having no wife, no baby. I'm just thinking like, what are you doing?
Then I cook the salmon perfectly.
Yeah.
How juicy is that? Oh.
It's crazy. It's even better than in oven actually. Yeah.
That's so perfect.
Yeah. Damn guys, me I'm so full already. Selena is still pushing mango.
Yeah, of course, even though I'm so cold, but I want my mango.
I'll go take a shower. Yeah.
Yeah, me I'm still eating.
Yeah, Selena will continue growing. Yeah, we still have so much things to do. Yeah, so guys, that was the whole day. Then I really hope you like this video. If you like this video,
Give it a
this
like.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel also.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like.
And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.